Think I can fly. Think I can fly when I'm with you.
I'm Miss Damelia. Today I will explain you about effective health. First, relax your body. Take a breath like usually. You take deep breath and you hold 2 until 3 seconds. Then you exhale it with your tongue. Let you see me how to effective how. After that, we do together. Yes. Okay, is it clear? Yes, it's clear. Let's do together. Relax. Okay, it's your turn. It's good.
Thank you, Ms. Dame. Thank you for explaining